Okay, I want to show y'all something. Y'all know I carry my Roving blue pen everywhere I go, because you just hit the button right here on the top. The little blue light comes on. Even when I'm in restaurants in different places, in different cities, in different countries, you can use this. When they bring you a glass of water, you put it in here, and you're sure it is killing all the viruses. Just anything that's bad in this water, it will kill it. And once you do that, I think it lasts 15-20 seconds. Once you do that, you wait just a second, your water is good, and you know you've got good clean water to drink. But what I want to show y'all today is we got some new stuff out here, the Ozo-Pod. And this is mainly for home use. And what's good about it, it comes with 12 volt. You can use it when you're camping or whatever, in your boat. And it comes with 110 watt. 110 electricity. Okay? Let me plug this in, and I'm going to show y'all how it works. You got a little on and off switch right here, which is pretty handy. Now this is a thing that y'all probably see me use on my meat and stuff. It's a pod that you put in you fill your sink up with water, or your ice chest or whatever. Come look at this and watch what happens. I'm gonna get y'all come in close and look and see what happens when I drop this in here. I'm gonna put the Ozo-Pod in the water there, and instantly, see it? It's making ozone. It's making ozone in the water. Now, Lorraine said she found one that was cheaper than the pod, so she ordered it for me to show it to me, which we have it right here. What I don't like about this, I've done some research on it. Gotta cut it on first. See, this is working. It's making ozone. Okay, this one right here, it's making ozone too. Not yet though. I don't think. I don't know if it's making yet or not. You have to put this one with this thing like in an aquarium, a bubbler, and it's making the ozone over here and trying to infuse the water so your bubbles have your ozone in it actually. You see. In just a second, look at this one. It is really getting it. This is not doing nothing yet. Wait just a second. But anyway, there it goes. Okay, it's bubbling all right, like a fish aquarium or something. Yeah, it's making bubble. But it's making your ozone over here. This is actually making the ozone in the water. This is making it over here, pumping the ozone through here. And the bubbles are coming to the top, poop, they're busting. As soon as you put it in there, you smell the ozone. You don't want to smell it like that. It's not good for you. But I don't know if it's actually ozonating the water or not. You know, yes. Now I use the Ozo-Pod when I'm doing meat or vegetables. Like if I kill a deer or a hog or whatever I kill, fish, I put my Ozo-Pod in the water. Let it sit about 10-15 minutes. I take my fish and throw it in there, in the water, in the cold water. And what it does, it kills all bacteria. Okay? And when I put my fish up, or when I go to cook my fish, it just makes it last longer because I've killed all the bacteria on it. And it works good with vegetables. You can put this in your sink, and it kills all the bacteria and stuff in your sink. Look them up, Roving Blue. And use the promo code Bruce Mitchell and save you a couple bucks. All right.